Hello students, today we start the new exercise that is 4.4. The first question is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if the real root exists. Find them. If the real root are exist, then find their roots. So, question number first, that is first part, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. d equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So that is become 9, 40. It's become 31, minus 31. So that is less than 0. If that is less than 0, means no real root exists. No real root exists. So if no real root exists, we don't want to find the value of x. Right? If the d is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then we find the value of x. Right? Question number second, part second. There, find the value of k if the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. That is kx x minus 2, kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the general quadratic equation. So there is given the real roots, the two equal real roots. So if the roots are equal, so d equal to 0. Equal roots, real and equal roots, so d equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b is 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6, that is equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So 4k, that is k minus 6 equal to 0. 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 and k equal to 6. In such a way you find the value of k. Right? Come to the next question. Question number 4. The question number 4, that is the following situation is possible if so that determine the present age. The sum of the age of the two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in year was 48. So let the age of first friend. Let the age of first friend. Let age of first friend, that is x here, right? And the age of second friend, that is 20 minus x. Because the sum of both age is 20, so the age of the second one is 20 minus x. After 4 years ago, so 4 years ago, so their product, 4 years ago, their product is 4 years ago, so we subtract 4 from the each age, that is 48. It's become 48. So x minus 4, 16 minus x equal to 48. So multiply x square minus x square plus 16x plus 4x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. So you get minus x square plus 20x minus 2 1 112. Then we find the d, value of d. So value of d equal to b square minus 4ac. In such question where he asks if situation is possible or not possible, first of all you find the value of d. So d, that is become square of 20 minus 4 minus 1 minus 112. So you get 400 minus 844. So it's become minus 48. That is less than 0. So such situation is not possible. No real root. No real roots are there. So no real roots, so such situation is not possible. Right? So come to the next question. Question number 5. Is it possible to design the rectangular park? The perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meters square. If so, find the length and the breadth. So let length, that is x, and breadth, that is y. Right? So we can use the unit meter here. So area equal to x into y meter square. Area equal to x into y meter square. So area is given, that is area equal to 400 meters square, and perimeter is given, that is 80 meters square. 80 meter, that is 80 meter. Right? So we know that the perimeter is 2l plus b equal to 80, 2x plus y equal to 80. I mean x plus y equal to 14. Make the equation number 1. Then area is x y, that is equal to 400. So from 1 we can use 40 minus y. That 40 minus y put in this equation, that is in this place of x. 40 minus y into y equal to 400. So it's come minus y square plus 40y minus 400 equal to 0. So you get y square minus 40y plus 400 equal to 0. Then we find the value of d, or we can make the prime middle term, splitting the middle term, find the value of y. So y square minus 20y minus 20y plus 400, that is equal to 0. So y is the common, so y minus 20, and then next one minus 20 is common, y minus 20, that is equal to 0. So y minus 20 and y minus 20, that is equal to 0. In such a way you find the value of x. Now the x is, sorry, y minus 20, that is equal to 0, so y equal to 20. Now you get the value of y, that is 20, so value of x, that is also 20. So right, and in this question you also find the d is greater than 0. We also solve another method, that is to finding the d. So what we can do, we find the d first, that is b square minus 4ac. You find that minus 40, the square of minus 40 into 4 into 1 into 400. You get 1600 minus 1600. It's become 0. If the d is 0, d equal to 0, it means real but equal roots. Real but equal roots. Real and equal, we can say that real and equal roots are there. Real and equal roots are there. So x, y equal to minus b plus under root d plus minus under root d upon 2a. So d is 0, so it's become minus b upon 2a. So y equal to minus b. The value of b is minus 40, you get 40 upon 2, so you get 20. So value of y is become 20. X equal to 40 minus 20, that is also equal to 20. So x and y, so value of x is 20 and value of y is also 20. So in such a way you find the value of x and y and the length and the breadth of the given rectangle, right? So that is about your exercise 4.4. Thank you and have a nice day.